am Dr. D. Vasavi, lecturer in microbiology, TSW RDC, Mehboob Nagar. Today we will discuss about airborne diseases. Airborne diseases are those diseases which are transmitted through air from person to person or from animals to humans. When people with certain infections cough, sneeze or talk, spewing nasal and throat secretions into the air, some viruses or bacteria take flight and hang in the air or land on other people or surfaces. The droplets produced by breathing, talking, sneezing, cough include various cell types like epithelial cells and cells of the immune system, physiological electrolytes contained in mucus and saliva, and also potentially various infectious agents like bacteria, fungi and viruses. The droplets are three types. The large droplets with a size of more than 60 micrometers in diameter, small droplets of less than 60 micrometers in diameter, and the droplet nuclei being less than 10 micrometers in diameter. So they travel to different distances. The larger droplets will fall on the ground and serve as an infection, whereas the smaller ones can travel up to 6 feet. The droplet nuclei can travel more than 200 feet and they spread the infection from one person to people who are far away. We'll see the types of airborne diseases like viral, bacterial and fungal. These are the viral infections which are transmitted through air. The coronavirus, which you know, the pandemic, common cold, influenza, chickenpox, mumps, measles, Coxsackie virus and respiratory syncytial virus. The bacterial airborne infections include whooping cough, tuberculosis, diphtheria, primary atypical pneumonia caused by chlamydia and other agents, streptococcal infections, pneumococci, Haemophilus influenzae and meningococci. And these two cause meningitis. The airborne fungal infections include histoplasmosis, cryptococcosis, blastomycosis, coccidioidomycosis, aspergillosis, mucormycosis and penicillosis. Common symptoms of airborne diseases include cough, sneeze, congestion, running nose, sore throat, swollen glands, headache, body ache, loss of appetite, fever and fatigue. The complications include pneumonia, otitis media, pharyngitis, conjunctivitis, sinusitis, asthma and bleeding nose. The treatment for these diseases: the antibiotics like penicillin, amoxicillin, cefadroxil, erythromycin, amoxicillin plus clavulanate are used for bacterial infections. The antifungal agents like amphotericin B, natamycin, nystatin, clotrimazole, flucytosine, miconazole, fluconazole, voriconazole, caspofungin are for fungal infections, whereas the antiviral drugs like amantadine, rimantadine, zanamivir, oseltamivir, ribavirin, acyclovir, ganciclovir and foscarnet are used in case of viral infections. How to prevent airborne infections? Avoid close contact with people who have active symptoms of the disease. So maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Use a tissue or your elbow to cut down on possibility of transmitting germs on your hands. Avoid touching your face or other people with unwashed hands. Wear a face mask to prevent spreading or breathing in germs. Stay home when you are sick. Don't let vulnerable people come in close contact with you. Wash your hands thoroughly at least for 20 seconds and often especially after sneezing or coughing. Thank you.